Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make appearance settings on the Signal desktop app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the Signal app. And as you can see, before opening the Signal app, you have to install this. And after installation, you have to connect this with your mobile phone. And after that, you'll be able to see like this. And now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the settings icon. And after clicking on the settings icon, we need to go to the appearance section. And after going to the appearance section, as you can see, as a system language, if you want to change your language, you can also do that. But now we want to change our appearance. So if you want to, as you can see, I'm going to make it dark, so it will be dark. If you want to shade color, you can change that also. For example, if you want to make it red, you can also do that. And these all colors are provided here. You can choose any color from them. For example, I want to make it like this. Now let's go to back, and here if you want to change the zoom level, you can also do that. So in this way you can make your appearance settings on your Signal app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can make this. So see you guys in the next video.